Presenting the Amazon Basics 1-ton 3-star split AC suitable for small-sized rooms. It uses a 100% copper condenser with anti-corrosion bluefin coating that provides effective cooling and prevents damage in even extreme weather conditions, ensuring low maintenance. This is a 3-star BEE rating AC with an ISEER rating of 3.56. It comes with an energy-saving mode for additional energy savings. This AC has 4-stage filtration system with 3 M's micro-dust antibacterial filters which keeps out both visible and invisible dust and other pollutants. It traps microscopic particles up to 0.3 micrometer. It comes with high airflow volume technology and turbo mode that allows cool air to reach all corners, making it more effective in high temperatures. The AC uses environment-friendly R32 refrigerant with low global warming potential (GWP) and zero ozone depleting potential (ODP). The AC is also equipped with a sleep mode that cuts excessive cooling and maintains a comfortable temperature all night long. This air conditioner comes with brand warranty of 1 year on product and 5 years on compressor. You can avail the EMI or no-cost EMI option. You can also pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. You can schedule the delivery of this product at a day and time of your convenience. Prime members get free delivery. Amazon will coordinate with the brand for installing your product within 48 hours of delivery. In case you receive the product in a condition that is damaged or defective, we offer a free 10-day return or replacement policy. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.